Anyway mga kabarya, sa video nating ito pag-uusapan natin ang PSE Stock Update Series number 6 para kay Dito CME Holdings Corporation. Ngayon ay November 27, 2021. Saka dito pala guys sa ating Kabarya Avenue PH YouTube channel, sinishare natin yung ating experience at dinodocument yung ating pag-aaral sa mga nakita nating pangmasang Pinoy investment at potential digital assets in investment na pwede tayong kumita kagaya ng stock market, Pag-ibig MP2 Savings and Investment Program, GCash Investment, cryptocurrencies and altcoins gaya ng Bitcoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Binance, Litecoin, Chainlink and Ethereum at iba pang pangmasang Pinoy investment. Kaya guys, kung trip at korsonada mo ng ganitong mga content, pwede mo ring pindutin yung red subscribe button dyan sa baba para ma-update ka pa ng ating mga latest na ina-upload na video tungkol sa ating pag-aaral ng mga pangmasang Pinoy investment at potential digital assets in investment naman. Alright, bago natin umpisahan guys, huwag nyo palang kalimutang basahin yung disclaimer na nasa screen ng ating video. Okay guys, ladies and gentlemen, back to our PSE Stock Update series para kay Dito CME. Nasa Stock Update series number 6 na tayo kay Dito CME. Kaya kung bago kayo sa ating channel, pwede ninyong balikan yung previous video natin from series number 1 up to number 5 para sa documentation and update na ginagawa natin para kay Dito CME. And very much appreciated po para sa mga viewers and channel supporters po natin. Maraming salamat po. Itong Dito CME series video na ginagawa natin, ito ay para sa mga diehard na Dito Natics, Dito holders, and Dito CME long-term investors. Kaya kung ready na kayo, let's jump in! Unahin nating i-discuss yung stock data record ni Dito CME from PSE Edge, ang last traded price ni Dito CME kahapon, November 26, Friday. Nag-close ito sa presyo na 5 pesos and 61 centavos. At ang present na market capital ni Dito CME ay nasa 84 billion 210 million pesos right now. Okay, isunod nating ipakita yung chart ni Dito CME. Ito yung day chart ni Dito CME. Nakikita natin na binabagtas ng mga daily candles ang downtrend channel at muli itong nag-bounce sa 5 peso area level of support. Worst case, kapag na-break yung 5 peso area support level, ang magiging possible next level of support natin ay nasa area ng 4 pesos na. Opportunity to buy the dip para sa mga Dito holders and Dito long-term investors natin habang nasa undervalued level ang ating Dito CME. Ito naman yung MACD ni Dito CME, considered bearish yung status nito kasi under o below zero area. Nasa negative area pa itong mga traded lines nito. Kaya nasa bodega period pa si Dito CME. Kung long-term period of investment ang projection mo kay Dito CME, ito yung right time to accumulate more shares as you can. Para sa ating mga long-term investors kay Dito CME habang nasa ilalim pa yung price action nito. Okay? At reminders lang po na itong ating video, hindi po ito financial advice. Hindi rin po ito recommendation to buy, sell, or hold Dito CME stock. Ito po ay ginagawa natin for your information and for education purposes at for documentation ng ating long-term investment kay Dito CME. Kaya mamaya, for transparency, ipapasilip natin ang portfolio ng inyong lingkod na Kabarya Avenue para kay Dito CME. At sa day chart ni Dito CME, mapapansin din natin na under o below ang ating mga present trading candles compared sa daily moving average 100, ang ating red line. At ganun din sa ating daily moving average 200, ang ating pink line. Kaya masyado nang na-depress yung downtrend price action ni D2CME at kaya din natin nasabi na undervalued na ito. Okay, sa dulo ng ating video, balikan natin itong chart discussion para kay D2CME. I-discuss din natin yung valuation ni D2CME from Simply Wall Street. Is D2CME Holdings undervalued compared to its fair value and its price relative to the market? Ang sagot ng ating Simply Wall Street, greater than 50% undervalued compared to fair value. At makikita natin dito sa graph base sa kanilang calculation, ang fair value ni D2CME ay nasa 34 pesos and 58 centavos. And right now, ang current price ni D2CME ay nasa 5 pesos and 61 centavos. Kaya makikita natin sa graph na undervalued ito ng almost 83.8% based from Simply Wall Street analysis. Okay? Next natin, ownership. Based from the record ng ating insider trading volume kay D2CME from present up to 9 months, makikita natin na wala pang share sold record na nagmula sa ating mga D2CME company connected long-term investors. Pero anong ginagawa nila guys? Tama, they keep on buying while the price action of D2CME is downtrend. Ibig sabihin, nagbubudega lang sila. At mapapansin natin sa record ng shares bought, una itong 0 up to 3 months. May buyer ng 300,000 shares and equivalent to 1.7 million pesos. Pangalawa, itong 3 months up to 6 months, they bought 130,000 shares and equivalent to 1.1 million pesos. At pangatlo, itong 6 months to 9 months, they bought 557,500 shares at approximately 5.1 million pesos. From recent insider update, new shares bought record ni D2CME dated November 24, 2021. President and director recently bought 1.7 million pesos worth of stock. On the 17th of November, Ernesto Alberto bought around 300,000 shares on market at roughly 5 pesos and 70 centavos per share. This was the largest purchase by an insider in the last 3 months. Ernesto has been a buyer over the last 12 months, purchasing a net total of 3 million pesos worth in shares. At ito yung nagpapatunay na they keep on buying habang bumabagsak yung price action ni D2CME. Sila naman ay sumasalo. Sila po ay mga long-term investors and connected to D2CME Holdings Company. They are willing to wait until they will gain profit. At yun ay tinatawag na passive income. Ibudega mo yung investment capital mo sa isang napag-aralan mong may potential growth na stock in the future. Be patient and fasten your seatbelt. At ayon sa ating stock market expert and long-term investor na si Warren Buffett, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Okay, silipin naman natin yung hawak kong portfolio kay D2CME. I started accumulating or nagbodega kay D2CME from the month of May 2021. I started buying from the price of 8 up to 9 pesos. Nagbodega na ako paunti-unti. Ang projection ng aking portfolio kay D2CME ay 1 year up to 3 years. And starting May 2021, then monthly bumibili ako ng position shares kay D2CME. At habang bumabagsak yung price action ni D2CME, then I keep on buying because I'm anticipating to buy the dip that I can. Ang goal ko ay bumaba yung average price ng share position na hawak ko kay D2CME habang downtrend ito. And to gain more volume of shares, and more bodega kay Dito CME. At ito yung account ledger record ng aking portfolio kay Dito CME. And right now, meron ng total of 54,100 share position at the average price of 7 pesos and 35 centavos. Almost down or loss ito ng 24% compared sa current price ni Dito CME na nasa 5 pesos and 61 centavos. And I will keep on buying habang pwede pang ibaba yung average price ng aking portfolio. At ito po ay pang long term stock holding ko kay Dito CME. And I'm planning to hold it from 1 to 3 years or until it will gain profit. Ang goal ko kay Dito CME is to buy and forget in the period of 1 up to 3 years. Okay? Back to our chart. Ito naman yung weekly chart ni Dito CME. Nasa downtrend channel din ang ating weekly chart kay Dito CME. Pero kung papansinin natin, nag-bounce ang ating weekly candle sa lower channel at sinalo na ito ng ating moving average 200, ang ating pink line. At ang good thing, nag-close tayo sa green candle sa lower support ng ating channel kaya possible uptrend movement yung kasunod nito. At ang aantayin natin kung kakayanin bang i-break yung upper channel. And according to the Fibonacci level, ang support na kasunod kay Dito CME is nasa area ng 4 pesos and 35 centavos, yung ating lower blue arrow. As long as Dito CME is inside the downtrend channel, binibigyan pa tayo ng chance para bumili at magbodega ng investment share positions na makukuha natin sa murang halaga. At ang sabi nga ng ating stock market expert and long-term investor na si Warren Buffett, be greedy when others are fearful. Alright, at yan ang ating naging PSE Stock Update Series number 6 para kay Dito CME Holdings Corporation ngayong November 27, 2021. Magkita ulit tayo sa ating kasunod na video. Once again, have a happy weekend Saturday. Always stay safe and God bless. Hanggang sa muli.